We got a hot new clock that's made out of one fence picket that's going to bring you in about 80 bucks. Let's go. So I've already gone ahead and planed my one cedar picket. I've cut a 16-inch piece out, and we're going to cut it into 1-inch strips on the table saw. And I'm keeping 2 of the pieces at 16 inches, and I'm cutting 2 down to 15 on the miter saw. Now we're going to take these pieces and make a 15 by 15 square, 15 by 15 frame for the clock. We put a little glue. We're using Type Bond 3 today because it's awesome. I'm just going to put a nail in each corner. And we've got our frame built. We're going to go ahead and spray paint it black so it can be drying before we put the rest of it together. You don't have to spray paint. You can use latex or whatever. This is just quick and easy. Okay, we've got about 1/3 of the fence picket here. We're going to cut it down to 5 inches wide on the table saw. Now we're going to cut that piece down to 15 inches. Now we're going to take what's left of that piece and we're going to cut 2 5-inch strips off of it. Okay, now we're going to attach these 2 shorter pieces to the side of the long middle piece, make a cross basically, and we're going to do that with CA glue. You can also use wood glue and clamps, but those are very thin, flimsy pieces, and CA glue dries instantly. So I've made a mark on the middle of the big board and the middle of the small board. And we're just gonna attach them like that. I'm just lining up those marks. Alright, let that dry for a minute. Okay, now we're going to make the recess in the back. I've shown this several times. I found the center of the cedar pieces, and I just used my Craig drill bit to waller it out, and then we'll flip it over, clamp it to my table so it doesn't move. Stick a movement down in there and line my jig up. And you can, if you're going to do it this way, you can use double stick tape or screws. I always just screw it because I use it dozens of times a day. Okay, now while we got the pieces loose, we're going to go ahead and stain the cross piece with golden oak. Black and golden oak is a pretty nice combination. Okay, we've got the numbers on. You can put any flavor and number you want. If you have laser engraver, you can cut some out and put it on there. We just stenciled some on real quick. That's what Cheryl does, so she's really good at it.
You can also just buy some numbers at the hardware store if that's what you choose to do.
We're just gonna set it down in there and put a couple brads in to hold it. Okay, now last thing, we're going to put the parts in. Usually I put a hanger on the back to hang the hanger front. Does that make any sense? A piece of wood on the back to hang the hanger front. We're just going to use it the way it's intended. Just slide it over the movement like that and stick her right in to the back, and it hangs on that instead of adding to it. And we'll put the washer and the nut on. Try not to gouge the lacquer, it's still a little wet. Tighten her down a little bit. And there are a million kinds of hands you can put on these kinds of clocks. We just have some modern style hands,
which are going to be the perfect size.
People ask a lot where we get our hands. We get ours from China, buy them on Alibaba. They also sell complete sets on Amazon. A set like this size is about $8.99.
Oh no, this size.
I just looked them up.
Oh, they are okay.
Yep. About $8.99 for these hands.
You can also get them on Clock It.
Yep. I can't see that. I don't have my glasses on. There we go. You just put that over there and the little cap on. Just cinch her down. There you go.
Ta-da! All right, guys, here's the finished clock. It looks so pretty. I love this clock. It was super simple, wasn't it?
It was. Less than a single fence picket made this. So you got $360. Well, a full fence picket costs $368 or something. And then if you were to buy the parts, $9, so $12 total.
Yep.
And these I have researched on Sale Samurai, and we didn't find one like this. They only have the center piece of wood, and that particular clock has sold 6,000 or something.
So this is a new design.
Nobody's made this one before with the two side pieces.
Yep.
We make clocks for a living. You guys know that. And if we're telling you a clock will sell, a clock will sell.
Yeah, definitely listen.
Yep.
But this is so easy. Like we said, you can stencil any stencil numbers. You can buy pre-made number vinyl. You can cut it out on your Cricut. You can buy the metal numbers. You can make some on your laser engraver, cut them out
on your bandsaw or your scroll saw.
Yeah. So there's so many options. If you don't even want to do numbers, you could just do like little studs.
A little hash mark or something.
Or hash marks, So the possibilities are endless.
Yep. So this was a quick video. It's Easter today.
Yes.
Happy Easter. He is risen.
Yes.
So we just thought we'd throw one out there for you.
Yeah.
Didn't spend a lot of time on it, but $80
Yeah.
is what I would charge on this
Quick
one.
and easy, fast money.
That's
And clocks sell.
They do. We do.
Yep.
That's what we do for a living. So
Yeah.
listen to us, y'all.
I hope you guys have a great day with your family, your loved ones, and a good Easter dinner.
That's right.
We're going to have Easter dinner today with our kids
Right.
and just have a nice time with the family. If you haven't had a chance, please subscribe to the channel,
Yep.
like the video, share, and don't
And-
forget to
Back it up, y'all. Yep.
Yes. Well, thank you guys so much for being here, and we will see you next time. Love
Thank
you guys. Bye.
Happy Easter.